Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Did you know you can grow your own calming tea garden right in your backyard or even on a small patio? It's easier than you think and so rewarding. Let's dive into how you can cultivate your own little sanctuary of peace, one herb at a time. First up, let's talk about lemon balm. This is a must-have. It's a member of the mint family, so be warned, it grows like a weed. It's best to plant it in a container to keep it from taking over your entire garden. But its vigorous growth means you'll have an endless supply. The leaves have this beautiful, fresh, citrusy scent that's instantly uplifting. Let's make a simple, relaxing tea. All you need to do is grab a few fresh leaves. Give them a gentle crush to release their oils and steep them in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. The result is a wonderfully bright and calming brew that is perfect for easing stress after a long day. It's like sunshine in a cup. Next on our list is the classic chamomile. When you think of sleepy time tea, this is probably what comes to mind. Growing chamomile is a joy. You'll want to plant German chamomile for tea, as it's the most flavorful. The little daisy-like flowers are so cheerful to look at. The best time to harvest them is on a sunny morning right after the dew has dried but before the sun gets too hot. If you want to pick the flowers when they're fully open, you can use them fresh, but I prefer to dry them. Just spread the flower heads on a screen or a clean cloth in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. Once they're completely dry, you can store them in an airtight jar. A spoonful of these dried flowers steeped for about 5 minutes creates that gentle, apple-scented tea that's famous for promoting relaxation and a good night's sleep. And of course, we can't forget lavender. The scent alone is enough to transport you to a field in Provence. While there are many types of lavender, English lavender varieties like Munstead or Hidcote are best for culinary uses, including tea. The key is to use it sparingly, as a little goes a long way and too much can taste soapy. Harvest the flower spikes just as the buds are beginning to open. This is when their essential oils are most concentrated. For a soothing floral tea, you only need about a teaspoon of fresh or dried flowers per cup. Steep them for just a few minutes. Lavender tea is incredible for calming the nervous system, easing tension, headaches, and just helping you unwind. You can even mix it with a bit of lemon balm for a truly delightful blend. Beyond these three, you could also consider adding mint to your tea garden. Peppermint is fantastic for digestion and has an invigorating aroma, while spearmint is a bit sweeter and gentler. Both are super easy to grow, but just like lemon balm, they need to be contained or they'll spread everywhere. Another wonderful addition is holy basil, or tulsi. Known as an adaptogen, it helps your body adapt to stress. It has a slightly spicy, clove-like flavor and makes a wonderfully restorative tea. Creating your own tea garden is more than just growing plants. It's about cultivating a space for wellness and a ritual for self-care. It's simple, it's beautiful, and it's deeply healing. It's the act of tending to your plants, harvesting the leaves and flowers. And brewing your own cup of tea is a mindful practice in itself. It connects you back to nature and to your own well-being. So, are you ready to start growing your wellness today? I hope this has inspired you to dedicate a little corner of your world to a tea garden. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on gardening, simple living, and embracing nature, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!